Good afternoon. My name is Tania Vanessa Bravo. I'm from La Cruz Nariño. I am a environment engineer. This is this video is for English too. This time I am going to talk about what I do during quarantine. I like to organize my time to carry out all my daily activities. I have tried not to change much my daily routine. This will help me not to think about the circumstance. I usually get up 6 o'clock because I have to do many activities. Although I really like sleep. Has sun, I get up, I drink water, then I start to make breakfast. I advance lunch for my family and clean my whole house. While doing these talks, I listen to music. After doing all this, I start my sport activity, whether jogging, run, or dance for an hour or more. I even make videos dancing with my son, but they are difficult to organize and require time. I take a break, a good shower, and have to sit and study from 3 o'clock in, until I finish my pending works. In the course, I move. Also get help my children to carry out his tasks. We have not actually done many unusual things. Sometimes I go play soccer with my children on the field that is in my house. Sometimes I can read a light and so else my day. It is not easy to be was was with. You son. Thank you.